Okay, welcome to the series of me rating my old artwork, and this one we're going to be looking at video editing and the way that I've basically done any of this, because I thought this was super interesting, putting AI into a game essentially. So we're going to go ahead and play a couple of clips from this, and as always, if you would like to view the full video, it is in the description. So, okie dokie. So, if any of you guys are familiar with the Matrix Awakens game that came out a while ago, which shows off Real Engine 5's greatest work so far, I got a little bit of a treat for you right now, because they've implanted AI into this. It's a company called Replica. They've basically made every NPC. I gotta say something about the microphone that's being used right here, because this is the exact same microphone. I do not know what's up with these microphones, but I cannot hear myself. Has anybody else got this problem? When you're listening to me on YouTube, can you hear me? Because I feel like I'm constantly turning this microphone up. I'm gonna go invest in another one, actually. Yeah, but anyway. AI available, which means that you can walk up to them in the street and have a full-blown conversation with them. Now, I've heard that they aren't sentient, but they can hold a decent conversation. So, I've got the game. I'm going to try it out today. See how this goes. See what kind of conversations that I can have as well. Alright. Okay. Awesome. Typical gaming controls then. I guess the spacebar is to run, or shift. There we go. Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going?
Good morning. I'm running a bit late for work, but I'm still feeling optimistic.
What are you optimistic about? I don't think you heard me on that one. What are you optimistic about?
The city holds many secrets.
Can you tell me those city secrets?
Oh my gosh, I can't find my phone. Do you see it anywhere around here?
I think I would have moved on at this point, I'll be honest with you. Do you know any secrets?
Do not be afraid, for you are not alone in this journey.
I think it was very basic AI. That was a bit forward. Hello there. If she doesn't reply General Kenobi, she's not a real Star Wars fan.
I'm sorry. What was that?
I said it.
I said good morning. Just kidding. Hi there.
I like what you're wearing.
Hello there. How are you today?
Hello there.
Why do you care how I am? Do we know each other?
Hi, how you doing?
What do you want? I'm on my way to work and don't have time for idle chit-chat.
Alright then. Let's try this guy. Hi sir, how you doing today?
Oh no. I can't do this right now. Sorry. I have to go.
It is very basic. Okay. Compared to AIs nowadays. Hello there. Hello.
Excuse me. Do I know you?
Yeah. I think that was a big problem. Like, many of them just didn't want to talk.
You know what? I'm not into tacos. More into burritos.
Burritos.
That sounds like fun. There's so much to see and do in the city.
Yeah, you get the general premise of this. Would I rate this being the AI or whatever like that? I don't know. But I thought I would share it with you because it was an interesting video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.